Hey, what is up, guys? Welcome back to the MKB Captain. So the news came from the Samsung Galaxy A91. The render show Galaxy Note 10 like punch hole display, triple camera. The Galaxy A91, the upcoming smartphone of the Galaxy. The Galaxy A91 has been in the news of and on since August, and now we finally have some renders that reveal what that premium smartphone will look like. The 91 mobile has collaborated with Tipstar One Leaks to bring exclusive renders and a 360-degree video that reveal the design from all sides. The Galaxy A91 design looks eerily similar to the Galaxy Note 10 from the front thanks to the center elegant punch hole display and small bezels. On the back we see a curved glass panel and a squarish camera module that could house either triple or quad camera. The Galaxy A91, the first thing we noticed about the Galaxy A91 design is how similar it looks like the upcoming S11 series. The difference are suitable such as the shape of the rear camera module, longer on the S11 renders and wider on the A91. And the camera sensor within the Tipstar shared two gets of the Galaxy A91 renders, where one show a triple camera setup while the other show a quad camera setup, as he is unclear what configuration will be seen on the smartphone. Both versions see a rectangular cutout, which is likely for the periscope lens. The rest of the design is fairly standard. We see the power button and volume control on the right side of the material frame, Type-C port on the bottom next to a single speaker grill and not side of a 3.5mm headphone jack. There is also no physical fingerprint sensor, so expect to see in a display sensor here. Samsung Galaxy A91 specification. The Tipstar One Leaks revealed it back in June that the Galaxy A91 with model number SMA908 and SMA905 will sport a 6.7-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display. One of the variant is also said to come with 5G support. Other expected to Galaxy A90 specification include a Snapdragon 855 chipset paired with 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage. The Galaxy A91 is also said to house a 4500 mAh battery with support for a 45-volt fast charging. Connectivity feature could include Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0 and USB Type-C port. The handheld is said to measure 162.4 by 75.6 by 8.1 millimeter. As for the camera, it's unclear whether the Galaxy A91 will launch with a triple camera setup or a quad camera. Based on what the Tipstar revealed back then, the Galaxy A91 may launch with 48-megapixel primary sensor, 12-megapixel ultra angle sensor and 5-megapixel telephoto lens. Alternatively, it could offer a 48-megapixel main camera, an 8-megapixel wide angle lens and 5-megapixel telephoto lens. The Tipstar also mentioned a feature called Tiled OIS. Meanwhile, the punch hole cutout is said to include 32-megapixel selfie camera. It is also being suggested that the Galaxy A91 will be launched as the Galaxy S10 Lite in some market. It's unclear which of the two modules will launch in India, but you can expect both of them to look the same. So guys, this is the Galaxy A91 update. This is look like the S11. So let me know your thought in the comment section, and if you like this video, thumbs up and subscribe for more tech and smartphone comparison videos. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.